I'm the plaintiff. My name is Shashi Kumar. I'm the plaintiff. Okay. As you all can see, in January we lodged a report against certain individuals talking about other faiths and beliefs. All right. I have an entire compilation of evidence, proof of evidence over the years which has been collected. All right. But yet, nothing has taken place. Lodged a police report because I believed in the rule of law. I believed in the system. We lodged police report, nothing happened. I went with a memorandum, I prepared a memorandum, gave it to 7 ministries. This was during the Pakatan Harapan government, okay. Still nothing happened, but I have all the feedbacks, okay, all the response from all the ministries, but still yet nothing has taken place. Again, the same individuals, they have keep on insulting other faiths and beliefs. Lately, if you can see, last year June, okay, last year June, they have insulted the religion of Hinduism. Okay, they have insulted the religion of Hinduism. Okay, calling we are stone worshippers, cow worshippers, and we are stupid. Okay, and I'm very surprised there is no arrest been done on this individual. But if you look at the previous year, how many arrests has been done towards the non-Muslims for uttering words about Islam within 24 hours. A 68 years old man was arrested. Alright? And I have spoken to these people and they told me that they were provoked and instigated by these people. By these Mualaf preachers. Okay? Now my question is, these Mualaf preachers, the Zamri Vinod and Firdaus Wong, they were Hindus, they were Buddhists before. Now what is their intention of converting to Islam and using the platform as a pendakwa or as a preacher to insult other faiths and beliefs? What is the reason they are doing that? By right, they should be talking about Islam, the pureness about Islam, the good things about Islam. But instead of talking about Islam, they have been insulting, condemning, criticizing other faiths and beliefs. In their Facebook, okay, they have been using all kind of reference book, okay, unrelevant reference book, stating that, okay, the Hindus, the Buddhists, the Taoists, the Christians, they are not following their own religion and their religion is wrong. Well, their religion is right, okay. I have so many evidence here, alright, over the years, we have made reports, we have brought to the ministry. I don't know what is happening. You see, we have Interfaith Consultative of Council. We have Swahakam. We have Ministry of Unity. What are these people all doing? Is it just for an eyewash? If we have Ministry of Unity, what is the function of Ministry of Unity? What is the function of Swahakam? How come all these are not taken seriously? But when it comes to a non-Muslim, they immediately arrest. Lately, if you see, PAS, Zawabi from PAS, he has insulted the Bible and he refused to apologize. And furthermore, no action been taken against him. This all comes under Sedition Act 298, 298A, under 504, 505, Multimedia 233. Okay, if you can see here, this particular person, he was locked up, okay, for insulting past president and also the religion of Islam. And he was locked up for 26 months immediately within 24 hours. But when it comes to non-Muslim, no action is taken. I'm a layman. We have filed a case. Today I went to the court and they said there's NFA. According to the police, so far there's no further action been taken. So what is happening in this country? Nobody is following the Rukun Negara. Isn't anyone is following the constitution? What does our constitution say? Our Article 8, Section 2 says that it protects all other race, doesn't matter what skin color you are, what religion you are. Same goes to Article 11. Why no one is following the constitution? And what happened to our Rukun Negara? The 5 pillars of our Rukun Negara. The last 3, keluhuran perlembagaan, kedaulatan undang-undang, rule of law, kesopanan kesusilaan. What happened to all that? Why no one is following the Rukun Negara? No one is following the constitution. So I really don't know what's happening in this country, but I can see It's a double standard law system here. It's very